G'day Internet and welcome back to another video. So this is just a quick update on the BennVenn LCD replacement for the Lynx 2. Now in my original video you probably noticed I glossed over the actual mounting of the screen. That was mainly because it was very much still a work in progress and I just had some rough 3D printed washer looking things holding it in there. I mean it works, but it could be a bit neater. And speaking of, so Igor from AtariGamer.com has designed this nice little 3D printed bracket as a replacement to hold the LCD in place. So let's swap out the existing mounting for this and see how it goes. And there we go. Perfect. I like that. So that was very simple, and it certainly makes for an even easier install than the original was. So links are in the description, yada yada yada. If you liked it, click like, hit subscribe, blah 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 blah, and I'll see you in the next video.